Hi, this is Brian, and this is my take on travel. I am at the Aria Park MGM tram station, and I was wondering because I walked out of the Aria, and I thought that it was the park is where the tram started, and apparently it is a mixture of. I guess it's between the park and the Aria, and that's why it's really the Park MGM station as well. Anyways, we're waiting for the tram, and it says it's going to be 1 minute, but it was like 3 minutes for like 10 minutes. So I don't know if that's any sign of anything. But so this tram is going to go from the Park MGM train station, and then it's going to go to the Crystal train station. Crystal train station are the Crystal shops, and the Crystal shops are really, really expensive stores. So like the same stores that you would find at the Wynn shops, you find all over the place. Basically the same, Tiffany's and Bulgari and you name it. I mean, I'm probably even pronouncing some of them wrong. But anyway, so then after the Crystal train station, then it goes to the Bellagio. And it's really not hard to find. It tells you in each of these hotels. It tells you where the tram is, and it's 100% free.
With access to Aria Resort and Casino.
So here we are at the Aria. Aria station. We'll see how long this should take. These trams are like only a few minutes long from end to end. So from Aria to Bellagio is only like a couple minutes, maybe 3.
The doors are now closing. Please stand clear. The tram is now departing. Please hold on to a handrail.
We could do the bars exhibit and the Titanic exhibit tomorrow. I think so. Well, you could go by yourself.
The next stop is the Shops at Crystals, an extraordinary shopping and dining experience. You can also access Aria Resort and Casino from this stop.
Yeah, not much to see outside this window.
The tram is now approaching the Shops at Crystals. With access to Aria Resort and Casino, please hold on to a handrail. Welcome to the Shops at Crystals. With access to Aria Resort and Casino, please stand clear of the doors. The next stop is Bellagio.
So because this tram doesn't go very far, one end of the Crystal shops is the Aria casino. So that's why they're saying Aria, even though we were already at the Aria station.
The doors are now closing. Please stand clear. The tram is now departing. Please hold on to a handrail.
So this looks like it's going to be about maybe 3 minutes altogether. 3 to 4 minutes altogether. Maybe closer to 3.
The next stop is Bellagio.
There's the Park MGM, Nomad. And this is a little longer trip than the others because Bellagio is not that close to Aria. So you're still welcome to Aria. Aria is so big that it covers 3 stations, 3 of the tram stations. But yeah, Bellagio is farther. You have to pass by.
The tram is now approaching Bellagio. Welcome to Bellagio.
So the whole trip is something under 6 minutes. Probably
The
closer to
next
4
stop
minutes.
is the Shops at Crystals, with access to Aria Resort and Casino.